This worker was welding a huge gas cylinder when everything turned bad. Take a look. While a group of workers were welding, an explosion happened, filling the workshop with smoke. This video highlights the importance of performing safety check and accessing for presence of flammable gas around welding areas. A routine maintenance task at a factory took a sudden turn. A worker applied hydraulic fluid near a hot surface, unaware the fluid was highly flammable. Instantly, the liquid ignited, sending flames across nearby equipment. Always treat hydraulic fluid as a fire hazard and keep ignition sources far away. A gas hose erupted while workers were on a roof. Watch closely. These men were fixing a roof using a gas hose when it burst, spinning and spraying gas across the site as workers rushed to shut the valve. This shows why gas connections must be pressure tested and secured before use to avoid leaks and fires. A mining site turns chaotic in seconds. A heavy truck lost its brakes while working near the edge of a steep pit. The driver barely escaped, jumping out a split second before the truck plunged into the pit. Vehicle maintenance and proper brake checks before every shift can mean the difference between life and death. A container leak caused smoke to fill the factory. Take a look. This foundry's large container leaked molten material and soon produced heavy smoke, forcing workers to evacuate. This shows why containment, temperature monitoring, and emergency plans are essential in high-temperature industrial processes. These men were cutting timber when the unexpected happened. In a timber shade, workers were cutting wood with a fast-spinning blade when suddenly the timber jolted upward, hitting one of the men hard and knocking him to the ground. This reminds us to always be on alert when working with dangerous tools. A worker using a grinder experienced a sudden, terrifying grip. Take a look. The rotating disc caught his shirt and pulled it tightly against his chest. He fought to free himself before bystanders rushed in to help. This incident underscores why one must be secured when operating rotating machinery. Always ensure safety guards are in place before use. A roof panel shifted while workers adjusted it from a ladder. This small crane lifted a roof panel while a man on a ladder guided it. The panel tilted and fell, bringing the ladder down with it. This shows why coordinated signaling, proper rigging, and keeping workers clear of suspended loads are critical. A man became trapped inside a machine chamber. Watch closely. These men were in a factory when one entered a machine chamber and the door closed automatically. A co-worker noticed and forced the door open. This highlights why lockout-tagout procedures and fail-safe door sensors are essential before anyone enters equipment. This worker faced a dangerous situation during a steel inspection. Take a look. While inspecting a suspended steel piece, this worker began lifting it for adjustments when its rope suddenly snapped, sending it crashing down. This emphasizes the importance of inspecting lifting ropes and securing materials properly before any movement begins. Two workers tried setting up a ladder for a quick task. One held the base while the other climbed, but the ladder wasn't stable enough. In seconds, it tipped, sending the man crashing down. Always make sure ladders are firmly secured before climbing, no matter how quick the job seems. Supervisor's warning helped save a worker from collapse. Watch closely. These road workers were in a deep hole when the soil began sliding. A supervisor warned one man who grabbed a pipe and was pulled clear. This highlights why constant site supervision and ground stability checks are vital on excavation jobs.